Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to convert your favorite VSCode theme or Sublime theme or any other theme to JetBrains theme. So if we search on the Google, then we found a GitHub repository. Git clone the repository, then cd okay. So we need a Python 2 to run this command and to give a permission to bash script. So first of all we give the permission to bash script, just typing chmod +x ./convert. So permission is completed. Now we need to modify something, because if I open the folder and check the script, here is the Python as default. So when the developer build these tools, that time their Python version as default was 2. So we need to modify it, because if I check the Python version on my PC, so there is no Python, that name only Python. So I have multiple Python version already installed. So if I check the Python 3 and Python 2, so we need to modify this script here too. If you have Python 2 as default, your PC Python versions, then keep it as same as default, otherwise you need to modify it. So I am modified it. Now I need to VSCode theme. So my home directory, here some file already hidden, so I need to show them up first. Just press Ctrl+H command for Ubuntu .vscode, then extensions, then here is the theme I have installed, theme, just copy it, and I need to put it all together in this folder, VSC themes. So I am deleting it and paste all it here, then also delete existed converted themes. Now if I run this command, then the JSON file, cause that means VS Code themes, that extension is .json, it convert to first TM themes, then TM themes will convert to JetBrains themes. Convert Now it's converting. So all done. Here is the themes. It's as much as easy to convert any VSCode theme or Sublime theme to JetBrains theme. Now I change my operating system because there is no installed PyCharm. Here is the converted JetBrains themes, and I need to go locations of JetBrains Color Schemes folder. So the location is, press Windows key and run command, then type app data folder location is user app data row. Here is the JetBrains folder and PyCharm version, then colors it's empty. And if I open my JetBrains, suppose I open it. So this is my code, and if I take it from copy and move to see the locations, user, app data, roaming, JetBrains, PyCharm, colors. So if I check the settings and editor, color scheme, it's not loaded, so I need to restart it again or reopen it again. So that's all. So you can convert any VSCode theme or Visual Studio themes to any JetBrains product using that GitHub repository, and you have to install Python 2 on your PC. Then you can convert it as your live. So have a good day. Thank you for watching.